Imo State belong to Biafra government in exile, Simon Ekpa said. No be small thing, no. They say all Biafras all over the world are very happy. Immediately the Biafra flag was raised in Catholic Church. The governor of Abia State, where be Governor Otti, don't talk say, he say sit at home must end for Abia State. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back in Balabas Gist. Today na the first time we dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. As we before we proceed though, go give video gbonge news where we get for hand today. And if you know say you never follow this channel or also subscribe to our YouTube channel, you quickly do so and turn your notification bell so that anytime we upload, you will be the first person we're gonna get our update. And so we dey do more. Don't forget say we there for everywhere. All social media handle we dey anywhere where you see us, may you try give us a follow. Okay my people, as it dey hot now, so they bring and they come. They said this PM wey be Simon Ekpa don't come outside to say that Imo State belong to Biafra government in exile. Say they are fully in charge of Imo State. Say that the liberation of Biafra is going to start from Imo State. We are going to play you a video where he said all this before we come back and proceed. Stay tuned and watch the video before we proceed.
Good afternoon, fellow Biafrans all over the world, especially Biafrans in Imo State. Imo State, under the Biafra de facto government, is divided into three. We have the Okigwe State, we have the Olo State, and then we have the Owerri State. So if you find yourself within this state, within these three states of Biafra de facto, under the Biafra de facto government, I want everybody to pay attention. Nigeria can never conduct election anymore in Biafra land, and it is going to start from Imo State. We are not part of Nigeria. The de facto government has been activated, and it is a fight for survival. So if you find yourself in these three states, in Okigwe State, Biafra, in Olo State of Biafra, and in Owerri State of Biafra, get ready. We are going to embark on a very serious lockdown to make sure that Nigeria delegitimization will be taken to the next level. It is time for your liberation. Your liberation starts from Imo State. Wait for my announcement in the coming days. It is happening live. Hope Uzodinma have written result for himself. He has paid off INEC. He has paid off every other person. He has paid the judges that will give judgment in the coming days. And that is not the kind of country we want. We are going to make sure that the delegitimization of Nigeria starts from Imo State in this election. The Biafra government has taken over Imo State. So wait for me in the next coming days as I will give announcement, give directive of how this delegitimization will take. I know that after this, they are still going to make the announcement because he already wrote a result and I'm aware of it. So, but we are going to prove to the world that no single Biafran will go out to vote in Imo State. Thank you.
Yeah, my wonderful people. As you don't watch am, so we still watch am. No be small thing, don't hear am from the PM wey be Simon Ekpa say that election you no go hold for Imo State. No be small thing. I want make you leave your own contribution for comment section as it dey hot. Okay, my people, let's quickly jump into this news. They say that the Biafras all over the world rejoice immediately the Biafra flag was raised among the countries in Catholic Church. Let's play the video for you to watch before we come back and proceed. Yeah, my wonderful people, that is a presentation in church. I have been in one Catholic church before. That was in Africa country, yeah, where the Catholic church also raised a Biafra flag, and they prayed and also prayed for the people that died during the war concerning Biafra. Biafra is real. Do you know that when you take a flight, maybe you take Qatar airline that going to maybe Lagos, once you enter Nigeria territory, they will show you a Biafra in map. So why are Biafra still reflecting in their map if they know that those people are not resisting? You know, the world knows the truth, but the problem is that the demon that hold Nigeria is very, very strong, and it must be broken this time around. Yeah, my wonderful people, let's quickly jump into Abia State and see what they go on for inside that place. They say that the governor Otti, will be the governor of Abia State, don't come outside, come paro, say the sit at home is unacceptable. No be smart, you know. We'll play the video before we come back and proceed. Watch the video.
And we need to sound that note of warning, that you cannot afford to sit at home when you have work to do. A lot of people live on a daily basis. The taxi drivers, the keke drivers, the woman that is selling pepper in the market. If you sit at home for 2 weeks, she will die of hunger. So it is null and void. That is what we can tell you.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch the video, the only advice why I will give this governor that is making a headline in Southeast as we are talking right now is trend with caution. You know, do not allow people to mislead you and turn you against your people, because when you do so, you can't concentrate and do your work. I would advise you to concentrate on doing your work, as people love you. The sit at home has a base. Although so many people may dislike it, so many people might hate it, but me particularly, I only saying they should release Mazin and Dikalo if they want it to stop. So you should work in the side of your own people. Do not allow these people to pressure you. That is the advice we are going to give you, Governor Otti. Okay, my people. Now so we see more, and now we say more bring and come give on a beg. May you no forget to share this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on Twitter. Also on TikTok. We are on Facebook as well, so follow all our social media and anywhere you see us. Okay, my people, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you for the next update.